So my clutch is finally starting to slip. I don't know if it's even like the original clutch, but the car has like 185,000 miles. It's definitely like an OEM clutch or something. So I'm gonna be converting it to a lightweight flywheel with like the Sachs like M3 clutch kind of. So this is like the lightweight flywheel right here. I think it's pretty nice. It's a JB Racing lightweight flywheel. I think it's like only like 10 pounds or something, so this thing's gonna rip. And I got the Sachs clutch right here, and then the pressure plate, and then like the rear main seal, and new flywheel bolts, and new clutch fork clip, plus like the billet clutch fork knob thing. What do they call it? Clutch fork pivot. So I'm gonna be replacing that, which is pretty exciting. Not really. Nope. There we go. Grinding. Got the drive shaft exhaust out. All the goodies. Just getting the shifter.
Don't just put a hole in your car with a pick.
It'll be the first hole I put.
Oh, you see that hit me in the face? They hit me right in the face. Oh, alright.
Yeah, I got a new selector joint too that we're gonna put in. Hopefully it'll make it shift better.
God.
Nice.
We're definitely gonna want to loosen the motor mounts or take them out, like I said, because we gotta like pull the whole trans down. Did you get yourself a braided clutch line, bro?
No, I didn't.
You don't need it. I got the slave out though.
Should I get one?
Nah. I mean, it's up to you.
Bleeding these cars suck.
You don't have to bleed it.
No, like, should you replace that line?
Oh yeah. Nah, it's not too bad. I had one bad experience with the convertible, and I've never had trouble bleeding one ever again. I just do like the hand pump.
Yeah.
The bench bleed thing.
Taking the loosen the motor mounts, you know, get some angle, get the bell housing bolts, whatever you call them. Yeah. Do you want to put a jack under there?
Yo, some of them are missing already. Hell yeah.
I know.
That's good.
Yeah.
I think I need oh, I got one right there.
See how loose this man is. Not too bad.
Like when I did mine, Zach, I like laid down, like laid straight right here, like laid back right here, and like looked up and over the transmission while pulling down.
Jeez.
It's like, it sucks. What, this is on the E36.
Yeah.
I've never done one in the E30. I couldn't imagine doing it because it's tighter than this.
There's 17 somewhere.
Yeah?
Shallow.
Oh. Oh, this is the angle right here. I'm at a pretty good angle, I think.
That looks good.
As soon as it turns, we could be fucked though. You have an impact that's strong, like a 3/8 one that's strong?
I got this one, but I don't think it's this one.
I don't know if it's gonna be strong enough. I'm gonna go back to old reliable here.
Old do it by hand.
And just don't strip out, please. Am I on it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Holy shit.
There's a lot of flex here. Oh!
Holy fuck. Let's get the door.
Rest in peace to the tan hat today. Did I get it? Yeah.
Woo. That was crazy. The thing was crusty up in there. Got her out.
I don't think the heat did anything, but...
No, but like, it made it seem like it did something, but it was only on there for not even like a second. Oh man. Sorry.
There's nothing holding the engine in right now. Nothing at all. It's just like all over the place.
Just the harness is...
Yeah.
Is that bad? Is it gonna fall out?
I can't fall out. There's a subframe there.
Yeah, but could it like slip back?
It can't fit through the it couldn't fit through.
Is this what you're supposed to... The radiator hose? The radiator hose are holding it in.
It is.
Oh man. What are we doing?
Alright, you should be able to slip that out of there.
Holy shit, that one.
Yeah.
You can do anything.
Anything.
You got it out. Justin got it out. Justin did all the work.
No. Where's the
The top Millhigh looking boats were like terrible, as you could imagine. But here's the old one. It's okay. Things pretty spanked. I don't know. I've never looked at one of these. Doesn't feel that grippy. Pretty chopped up. Compared to the new one, you know. Look at the difference. Think it'll work? Now we're gonna be doing the rear main seal and whatnot. Keep it from leaking. Is it leaking at all?
A tiny bit. Not much. You're flattered.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's only really seeping. It's not really leaking. It's sweating, as they say. What the fuck, man?
The fuck? Not coming out.
It's very stuck.
JB welded.
There it is.
Here she goes. Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Should jack it up.
I don't know. Did we get a drain pan? I wasn't expecting that. I didn't think that it would come out like that.
Yeah, me either.
Huh. It's fucking mint. I would just leave it.
You think so?
I would just leave it.
No.
We don't have a puller for it, so
Yeah.
you can do the bread trick.
No.
You ever heard of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Replacing the selector joint. For some reason, it's like fatter than the old one. It's like making it so the spacer doesn't fit well. Then we can't get the clip on, but. But don't recommend garagistic
Anything.
anything. Big regret. So I got the metal clutch fork pivot thing. New clip, throw bearing in here. Think I did it right? I don't know. Justin's the master mechanic over here.
Good. Should be on that.
Yeah, it feels pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't come off. Third
You
gear.
can see that? See? Mad
Wow.
tight.
Mad tight. Look at that. Thing's gonna feel like a race car. We're tired now. We can husk this thing out of here now. So this is like the first time I've ever done like a clutch or a transmission job. I wouldn't have been able to do this without Justin getting these top bell housing bolts. It was a nightmare. We took one of the motor mounts off and like lowered it all the way down. As you can see, it's right here. We couldn't get the other one out, but someone replaced this before and snapped that bell housing bolt right there. And why are we doing this? Clean the service to put the new gasket on.
Oh, dude, you just broke your radio. Yeah, just stop.
Oh my god, Zach!
Stop. Zach, stop. You're gonna get in trouble.
Get on the right side.
Is there a right side?
Side that probably goes that way.
Oh fuck, dude, this is why you're here again.
Yeah. M50?
With this piece of junk.
Hey! So, after wrestling with the transmission, it's finally in.
Finally.
It wasn't that fun, and then it just slipped right in. So it goes sometimes, but I got all the bell housing bolts in. We just, here's a swivel.
So, we got one more starter bolt.
One more stop bolt. Just keep tighten it. Oh, fuck. And Brian left. Brian, get that jack.
Brian left.
He was gonna shit himself. And you probably can't see anything. So there's no point in me trying to do this. Today's the next day. Last night we finished up at like 11 o'clock and got this all wrapped up back together. So today I was just gonna back it up, let it warm up, do an oil change, and then take it for like the first test drive. Hopefully the rear main seal doesn't leak, clutch works perfectly fine, which I think it already is, and the bell housing bolts don't fall out because it's missing two of them, but that's how it was before.
First drive since
First
the clutch has
drive.
been reinstalled.
First break-in,
Yeah, we already broke it in a little bit.
you know,
We got the,
low RPM shifts.
yep, we got the pizza.
Clutch grab's great.
Oh yeah, it feels good.
You know, no crazy noises. Clutch engagement, great. What else could you ask for?
Not bad, not bad. Definitely feels extremely good.
I got a big ass air filter on there, so like it like whistles.
You get the whistle going.
Sounds like it's turbo, but it's not.